Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. So today I wanted to share with you some secrets of how to grow thicker and longer eyelashes. So it was always my dream since childhood to have very long eyelashes like my sister. Unfortunately, I was not blessed with them. So today I just wanted to share with you some tricks on how to fool nature and have longer and thicker eyelashes. So my first advice for longer and fuller eyelashes would be to use castor oil. So right here I have the one I bought from Amazon. It was about $10 or so, so it's not very expensive. You can mix it with coconut oil or olive oil, but I use it just like that. So I'm putting it with a Q-tip on my eyelashes and then on my eyebrows as well. So it's actually better when it's under your eyes as well, on your under eyes, because it helps improve wrinkles. And you can also use it for your hair. You can make hair masks and it's very good for your hair as well. So the next thing I would suggest to use for stronger eyelashes is a lash serum. So right now I'm using the Mavala lash serum. So it's called Double Lash for longer, fuller, stronger lashes. So this one is about 10-11 euros. So it's not very expensive. You also have Flash serum that helps a lot, and you have Lilash that helps a lot. This one is on the less expensive side, so for those who are on the budget, you can buy this one. Otherwise, the other ones are very good as well, and they have very good results. So the next thing I would suggest is to have a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. So this helps not only with your eyelashes, also with your hair and with your skin. You have to consume more products that contain vitamin E and vitamin C and vitamin B8. So you can also massage your eyes with olive oil or coconut oil, and this also improves blood circulation and it will help grow your lashes and your eyebrows. My next advice is to clean your makeup gently. Otherwise you will hurt your lashes and your eyes as well. Your lashes will fall out if you're not gentle. I'm using right now the micellar water from SVR, and it's with zero perfume, zero paraben, zero alcohol, silicone and mineral oil. So this one is very good, and otherwise you can just use coconut oil or olive oil, and it really helps clean your makeup gently. So one more thing is you shouldn't use your eyelash curler every single day. Because when you use it on a daily basis, it hurts your lashes and it pulls them out and they're falling out very quickly. So I was doing it every single day before, and I was noticing my eyelashes falling out. So I'd suggest using it like maybe once a week or twice a week, but not every single day. One more thing I would suggest is to use eye drops every once in a while. So when I was younger, I remember my eyelashes were falling out a lot, and I was about 14 years old. And I stopped using makeup, I stopped using anything on my skin, on my eyes, and nothing helped until I started using eye drops. So these are like special eye drops that doctors give you, prescribe. But you can use any eye drops. They're still good for your eyes and for the health of your eyes. Yeah, so if your eyes are healthy, your eyelashes will grow better and thicker and longer as well. So my bonus for today would be to show you my favorite mascaras that I'm using now. And I'm in love with Dior Show. So this one is the new one. I think it's called Plump and Volume. Pump and Volume, sorry. Yeah, so this one is very good. I love it. Some say that your eyelashes are a bit spidery with it, but I really love this one. And it's very nice for like occasions, like birthdays, like if you want to look extremely good. This one is very good for that. And I also have this one from Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This one is very good as well. My sister recommended it to me, and this is better like for the daily basis. It's not as shocking and extreme. Yeah, she likes this one more, and I like the other one more. But yeah, both are very good. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and let me know what you think about my advice and what other advice you have. Thank you so much.